So Momma Duck is still sitting on her nest. So let's see what's underneath of her. I'm hoping to see some little heads peeping out. Don't see any around her. And that's miserable. So, ow, 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 ow. All right, so I want to show this to you guys. And this isn't very nice. So these baby ducks, they've been suffocated. And, you know, like I've said before, I want to show you guys everything, right? So we have one that did successfully hatch, but Momma Duck was too diligent here, and she suffocated the baby. And then we have another here where the shell is all broken. Same deal. This one's suffocated as well. So she did a great job being a mama up until they actually needed to hatch. This one isn't pipped, which means it probably failed. The dark spot on the end, I don't know if you can kind of see that, is usually indicative of a failure, where the baby will still be alive, but it won't pip, and then it will, for whatever reason, it'll die. So this one is probably a case of that. And yeah, it probably isn't going to hatch, but I'm going to take this egg from her. And unfortunately, these guys, they were successful in hatching, but she was just, you know, she was just, I guess, too dedicated. I really don't know. I don't know why they would have suffocated, other than her really sitting on them and mashing them down, unfortunately. So I'm going to take this. I'm not going to be able to see anything out here with a flashlight, but I'll take this in the house and check it out and see if it's still viable. And if it is, I'll put it in an incubator and let it hatch. But unfortunately, these guys, they just aren't going to make it. I got a chicken already standing here looking. Stupid ass chicken. Get out of here. So Momma Duck did a good job, but too good. I'm sorry, guys. Ron's upset. But, you know, these things do happen. And as I said before, I'm going to be transparent about this, because I want you guys to learn that that this kind of stuff does happen. Why are you guys so rowdy? Anyhow, thank you guys. I know the Momma Duck thing didn't culminate in what we had hoped, but it's life, unfortunately, and life on the farm. All right, see ya.